Do you want to learn how to stage your kitchen to sell your home? Well, think about this. When you're dreaming about buying a new home, maybe you want a back patio, a pool, or maybe you want a media room to watch movies in. Regardless of what special items stand out to you, most people dream about having a place they can entertain, bring their family and friends over, and guess where everyone tends to hang out when they come over? Well, you guessed it, the heart of the home, which is the kitchen. So the kitchen is the #1 seller for most homes, and today I'm going to show you how to stage a kitchen to sell for the highest possible price. So I do want you to keep in mind that staging is not like decorating, as you only want to add just enough to get the buyer visualizing their family and friends in your home. And whether you have a gourmet kitchen or a small, plain one, trust me, when you do just a little bit of tweaks, you can most definitely get the highest possible price. All right, so the very first rule for staging a kitchen to sell is to clean and clear everything off. So you want to start with a blank slate. Definitely give the kitchen and your entire house a very good clean. And then you want to clear all the countertops off, fridge off, all those little pictures and magnets, clean it all off. And even above the cabinets, if there's some space, like a ledge above the cabinets, you want to get all of the stuff off of there, whether it's greenery or decor or whatever. If there are any rugs on the floor by the sink, pull it up. If you have a knife set or a vitamin blender, hide them, like put them underneath the cabinet. Now, while greenery or decor may look good in person, they add a lot of clutter to the photos. And you really have to sell the home online first before they ever step foot into your door. So next, you can take just a few pieces of decor. So you can have maybe a wine theme or a coffee theme, or add some very simple decor like Perrier bottles, Perrier bottles. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I do love them. Or if you have a Keurig or an espresso that you use every day, you can leave that out and then just put some nice coffee cups beside it. Maybe some light white ones. If you have a bar top, feel free to put some place settings out because it will help the buyer to visualize entertaining in the space. And just a touch of fresh greenery is a very refreshing element to add. Not the kind above the cabinets though. You can get a basket of green apples or lemons to put on the table, and voila, you're set.